In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to borrow money from other countries. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Borrowing money from other countries, often referred to as international borrowing, can be a complex process influenced by various factors. These will include some risks and the global financial conditions, but still, I'm gonna give you some common methods used to borrow money from other countries. So first, government bonds. A country's government can issue bonds to raise funds. These bonds are essentially IOUs that promise to repay the principal and the interest to the bondholders. Government bonds can be classified into different types, such as treasury bonds, municipal bonds, and sovereign bonds. So you can look into government bonds if you would like to borrow money from other countries. Next, you have corporate bonds. Large corporations can also issue bonds to finance their operations or projects. These bonds are similar to government bonds, but they are going to be backed by the corporation's assets and creditworthiness. Corporate bonds can be sold in both domestic and international markets, and they are an option. Next, you have something like loans from international financial institutions, IFIs. The World Bank provides loans to developing countries for various purposes, such as infrastructure projects, education, and healthcare. The IMF offers loans to countries facing economic difficulties, often with conditions attached to ensure financial stability. And these banks, such as the Asian Development Bank or the Inter-American Development Bank, provide loans to countries within the respective regions, so regional development banks. You can choose from whichever one of these options you prefer, and you will be able to get in contact with them online through various different means. I hope I was able to help you on how to borrow money from other countries. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.